InterNACHI has a new course called Introduction to Home Inspections course. In the course, the student will learn the following: the InterNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice, and that's available at nachi.org/SOP. They'll learn how to perform a home inspection, how a home works, how to find problems that may exist in a house, and that's what we call defects, how to fix those defects, and how to maintain a home. That's a lot. The free online course was written for home inspectors and people who may want to be home inspectors, contractors who make home repairs, and real estate agents who work with home inspectors. Just like the engine of an automobile, a house works as a system of interdependent parts, and every part has an impact on the operation of many others. And a typical home has more than 10,000 systems and components, and they're all connected in some way. So what happens when everything works together in the most desirable, optimal way? Well, the homeowner is rewarded with a house that is durable, comfortable, healthy, and energy efficient. A home inspector can play a critical role in keeping a home well maintained. If a homeowner hires an InterNACHI certified professional inspector as part of a routine maintenance plan, that's a good decision and money well spent. To find a certified home inspector in your neighborhood, visit inspectorseek.com.